Hi everyone, here's an update on everything that I'm working on. And to begin with, I'm kind of staying further away from the camera because, well, I have poison ivy. And I don't just have poison ivy, I probably have one of the worst cases of poison ivy I've ever had in my life. And I get it every year.
Look away, I'm hideous.
But I'll give you the update. So I've been using my greenhouse as kind of an intermediary nursery where I would put plants in pots, put them in the ground so that I could make use of the drip irrigation in the greenhouse. So most of those plants have now been planted around the property. And it was during that process when I was planting some arborvitae trees on the back edge of my property, and there were no leaves on any of the vines that I was needing to dig through in order to plant these arborvitae. Guess what? Turns out they were poison ivy. And so I am really going through the disgusting phase of poison ivy right now. If you know, you know. No need to go into detail. You can Google it if you really want to know, but it's horrible. The projects that I'm working on right now are, of course, I'm very close. I'm like this close to finishing the sauna. So I think that my next update, I'd like to think that my next update is the final update with it 100% done or 99% done. So stay tuned for that update. It's coming fairly soon. Another project that I'm working on is I'm ripping out all of the wood raised beds on the terraces on my property. And I'm replacing them with these pretty awesome metal raised beds. On top of that, I'm working on the Bulletproof Garden, which I'll be making a video about here pretty soon. But basically the idea is a garden that basically takes care of itself, and it doesn't suffer very bad from being attacked by deer and pests and things like that. So that's a video that's coming up pretty soon. I'm also working on a lot of composting related projects, and I'm also just trying to get the garden up and running so that it'll free up time for me to work on other projects. And that's really what I want to do for you guys, because there's a lot of content that I'm planning that I think you're going to really enjoy. So as always, please comment. Please do all that other YouTube stuff, like, subscribe, bell icon, because it makes the difference between whether or not YouTube allows people to see my videos or not. So you have an active role in helping me out, and I really appreciate that. And I also, as I always mention, I appreciate that elite group of you that make it to the end of my videos. Thank you. You keep me motivated. And if you've liked my past videos or you're looking forward to my future ones, well, you might like these.